Oh, that scared me so much. Eating some toast here for breakfast and an apple. And we're gonna go for another adventure in the Cenotes in Tulum. Showered and ready to go in the Cenotes. There's turtles that swim in here. Chilling. Just lounging. There's crazy birds that fly right near your head. Okay, I did it. I faced my fears. I jumped off the thing. I'm so scared of heights. So it wasn't easy to do, but it wasn't that scary when I did it. So much of the time, it's all about the build-up. That essay that we have to write, that takes us weeks just in our minds. But the act of doing it is just so simple and easy and hilarious. All right, who's up for another cenote? Let's check it out. Let's go get some pizza. Vegan pizza. So we just came back from swimming in the cenotes and now we're gonna eat this pizza and we're so hungry and excited for this. Yeah. This is Orlando and he makes the best pizza in Tulum. Or possibly ever. Look at all these bikes. So we just arrived at the beach, just locked up and ready to go for a swim. Little panorama action. Mushroom soup. Wow. Sweet, savory, caramelized onion. Okay, beautiful people, that concludes my day in Tulum. Epic swimming, crystal clear blue water, delicious vegetarian eats. Thanks for watching. Please comment below, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and we'll see you again soon. Peace!